It's like just like white stuff covering
Right, Kira? I gotta get a video of this lightning. Because we don't get lightning, we don't get storms at home.
No.
No. Just want to get the video of it. We don't get lightning like this back home.
Really?
No fork lightning. It's
Pretty bad here. Sometimes you'll get lightning. It's so loud.
strike
sometimes.
stuff.
Oh yeah.
What does it like strike trees? No.
Sometimes. At home, like we got like there's always storms in the middle of the night.
Yeah.
It's so annoying because in the middle of the night, you'll wake up and you'll just hear. It'll
wake you up as well.
It will be like a cannon. It's crazy.
Yeah.
Wow.
That's cool. That's enough.